Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I just want to do a simple, typical flower on ceramic tile that you may have seen many times and many of you have probably done. And it's just quite basic, just dropping two different colors. Actually, I think I used three. But I really wanted to include it in this giveaway and in this playlist because some people that are just getting started with alcohol inks, it's a really non-intimidating way to just get started, but you still have the same effect and it's still really, interesting. And, it's just the three colors. There's nothing too crazy involved. And so many of you might be thinking, well, this is nothing new, but that's okay. I'm including it anyway. And I do have another video coming up where I use markers on ceramic tile. I am just using 70% rubbing alcohol to clean the tile off. I use 90% or higher in my blending solution. Also, I do want to tell you about my giveaway. Make sure you check that out. I will link to the actual giveaway video there, and then I'm going to link to the whole playlist at the end of this video. And there's lots of good things I'm giving away this month, and I do have giveaways every month, so click that little notification bell so that you don't miss any of the videos, and I hope you enjoy. I was actually going to do this video in a time lapse, but I thought it would be good to include it in actual real time and just so you can see how long I wait, and because that is a big part of this process, so I didn't necessarily want to do the time lapse part for this video. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put that down. This is just a plain white ceramic tile from, no, I don't want that one. From, where's this from? Oh, where'd I get them? Rona. I think that's just a Canadian hardware place, but Home Depot. And yeah. So I'm just going to let that sit. The trick with this, and you will get experience, is to know how long to let it sit, when to start blowing, when to stop blowing, where to blow, when to blow, what straw to use. I'm using a fatter one, which I got from a slushy gas station that sells slushies. And that's what I'm using. But I also use skinny ones. For different purposes. And I do that if I want a skinnier type petal. So I'm just going to let that sit. As I have said in many of my other videos, there's some really, I did some flowers and stuff. As I've said before, you will learn the different drying stages and that you can use those stages to your advantage. They'll do different things at different times. So this one, I kind of want to just keep that in the center, so I'm just blowing straight on it to dry it to keep it from spreading further. And I apologize if you can't see this because my hair's in the way, my head. So sometimes, as in watercolor, you'll see if I've done, if you've watched any of my watercolor washes, you've got to pick out your flowers. So right now I kind of feel like this petal's going this way, and I've got a center here, and then it's coming this way. So we're kind of seeing it at an angle. It's like it's coming out at this angle here. Like it's looking off to the upper, I don't know what, upper left, but not down. Oh, sweet mother, look at that. Hello. You can see this? Yeah, that's alcohol for you. Yeah, I'm just gonna let that be there. I don't see any reason to. There we go, now it's coming back in. I don't want it to spread any further. And now that kind of changes the look of the flower. So that was using, in case any of you are interested, the magenta from Jacquard, the sunset orange from Ranger, and the sunshine yellow from Ranger. And it's amazing. I'm going to show you in another video how I seal all of these, and so be watching for that. And yeah, that's awesome. Like, look at that dark, crusty edge that formed. Hello. I would like a little bit more variation in here. I think my blending solution is needing to be cleaned a little bit, because I think that's what happened here. Those little specks. Not sure. Maybe I just got some stuff in here. I don't know. But I actually like it because it has some cool texture in there. And I always like my texture. I really want to change this, but I don't want to screw this up. So I'm just going to leave it because it's awesome the way it is. So there you go. Was there anything else I needed to tell you in this video? I don't think so. Let's try to keep this short and sweet. Bye for now.